Oh boy. Has anyone else felt like it's just been such a hectic start to the year? I just feel like last year I was resting for the majority of the year. This year, it's just the energy is just so full on and so crazy. I'm moving to a farm. I have to pack everything. I'm preparing for goats. I need to run my 2 businesses, and I just have so much happening, and I don't know how I'm gonna keep up. Sometimes I just feel so overwhelmed. Like this morning, I've been out shopping for goat fencing, came home, just was lying down for a little while, but now realize that I have to pack this whole place, move everything to the farm. Oh my god, I just feel so tired. I'm excited. It's an excited energy, and I'm excited to be doing all these things, but I just feel like they're squished into such a short period of time. Anyone else feeling it this way? It is crazy. Anyway, I am just going to do a vlog for this one because this is a nice big life change. I'm getting goats. You can see all the things that I'm gonna do in order to get goats, and it's gonna be a little fun video. I haven't done a vlog for a little while, so welcome. I'm so tired.
Yeah. What you staring at, you looking dumb. No, I don't ever hold my tongue. I will never be what you expect. Maybe you need to get your eyes checked. I don't care if you think I'm stuck up. I don't care cause you can't call my bluff. I don't care if you think I'm a clown. I don't care cause you can't pin it down. You can't pin it down.
So this is the stable where the goats are going to live. Very exciting. It's just a little bit messy in the corner there. I totally just had a bit of a moment where I'm just like, holy shit, I'm actually living on a farm, and I've been dreaming about this all my life. I've worked on farms before, but I have never like managed my own farm where I'm kind of like deciding what's going on here. And right now I'm just preparing for the goats. I'm gonna have goats. I'm so happy. Ask anyone in my family what has been my longest dream in the world. Have my own farm, live on my own farm. This might not be my property, but it's my sister's, and that's close enough. So I am so happy and I'm so grateful to her, because dreams come true in unexpected ways. You just have to hang on to those dreams and don't let anyone tell you that they're unrealistic. Because this is what my heart's been calling out for my whole life. Farm life. I've done van life, now it's time for farm life. I've done city life. I love these changes. I love change in life. It's just so, it just makes life so exciting. I'm just having a moment. Just the smell of pine shavings reminds me of the days when I did work on farms with horses, with race horses, and this is actually happening. Goats. And one day, hopefully fairly soon, I'll get my own horse, and that'll be another massive dream ever since I was a child. I want that goddamn pony.
The videos of Steph getting pulled through the yard.
Yeah. Alright. We got new family members.
Yay!
Are you okay with honey? It's been a stressful ride.
Yes.
Falky, no barking. Falky.
So I take it you tether the mum and...
No, I'm just gonna let them loose.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, I don't want her to kick this gate. Oh, she's like just tried to push the gate, but I haven't been able to close the gate yet.
Come in, honey. Come in. Okay. I'll have a wander. Oh, poor things. They're scared. And that's it. So one thing that I didn't show you, because my battery charger, I couldn't find it, and so I couldn't charge my battery yesterday, was me and a friend building this goat paddock fence, just to make sure these little ones don't escape anywhere. But I'll show you how big it is. So it runs all the way this way, all the way back there, all the way back there, comes up, and then in the corner, and then there, and then all the way here. And this is for these two beautiful ladies. So I'm so excited to have these girls with us. My dream of living on a farm is coming true. Just adding 2 new additions to the family, and just need to learn as much as I can about them, just so that we can, I've already learned a little bit, but it's always there's always more that I can do to learn about them and keep them as happy and healthy as possible. They're 2 girls, Chocolate and Honey, and Chocolate is Honey's mother, so that's very sweet. Good morning. Yesterday I realized something, that I goat-proofed the paddock, but I didn't goat-proof the goat's shed. So I'm hoping they're still there and haven't jumped out overnight. Right now I'm going to go feed the cows and then take the goats to their paddock, and it's time to start the day. I'm so excited to be living on a farm. Alright. Hopefully, oh, I see a goat in the shed. Hi, Chocolate. Goats. If you told me last year that this year, at the beginning of the year, I would have goats, man, life changes very quickly. Hello, goaties. Oh, gotta poop. Gotta pee. I worked on farms for many years, and I just feel like I'm just going back to my roots now, and I really, really like it. And this is kind of what I love to do. I love being on the land with animals. I'm just so excited about this new life. My dream life. This is what life is all about for me. I got so many fun things on the go now. I never want to settle for just anything ever again. Not boyfriends, not my life, not my jobs. I just really want to be doing things that I really love. Always. Because that's what makes life exciting and fun. Otherwise it just gets boring and mundane, and I just don't see the point in it. So for me to not want to commit suicide, I need to live a really, really full life, and a life that is in line with my values and what I believe in, and with my joy, aligned with my true path. And yeah, so I've done van life, now I'm doing farm life, and I really want to have a homestead where it's self-sustaining. So no matter what happens in the world, me and my community, my housemates, we're all secure. We have food to eat, we have a roof over our heads. We don't really need to be part of the system in order to survive. We don't need to rely on the system. And I'm the type of person that I'm not the type of person that wants to just rely on the government to do the best for me. I'm not the type of person that just wants to rely on the government to look after me. I enjoy the notion of taking responsibility for myself and stepping away from the system as much as possible. And just living in nature, living on the land. That's one huge thing that I realized over the past 3 years, is that nature, this planet, is the most important thing that we have. We rely on it for everything. We are alive on it. We are born here. We die here. We borrow the nutrients that our bodies hold and then return them when we die. So we're on loan. The nutrients that we carry in our bodies are on loan from Mother Earth. And I want to respect this planet. I want to understand it and learn about it in an intimate way and have an intimate connection with it. And that is what really makes me feel alive and excited. The subtleties of life, all the technology and busyness of what we've created in the Western world. And I understand that I'm being a hypocrite by poo-pooing technology when I'm talking to you on YouTube. There's definitely some good technology that I enjoy. I just don't enjoy the values of the companies behind the technological companies. And I enjoy sharing my life with you as well, because I feel like stories and just sharing experiences is how we learn. But, oh man, I'm tired. My brain isn't working 100% just yet. Well, yeah, I just want to get out of the system as much as possible. I want to be exploring what's real, what's true to me, and that's nature, that's animals, creating really great projects, local communities. I've fallen in love with local communities that really help each other out, and friendships in these communities where you just know that if you need a hand, that they're always there for you and you're always there for them as well, where you have each other's backs. Yeah, it's a very different life to city life. And I don't think that it's impossible to create this in a city. I just think that, first of all, people in cities need to be willing to look each other in the eyes and smile. That will be a really great first step. And then just needing to do all the rest of the stuff afterwards. Anyway, I'm just mumbling. I'm gonna go now and enjoy this day. I'm so excited about farm life. The moon's out over that hill. It looks so beautiful.
Doggy.